Aunt Susan has been working on a great invention for 2 years. It's called Wetbone. It's 16 ounces of vitamin-enriched vitamin B water. It has a built-in bowl, so you don't have to struggle with pouring a water into that troublesome bowl. Bo, come over. Bo. First of all, we tear this. Then we undo the ziplock right in here. Then you cup the bowl with your hands. See? Very nice bowl. Bo, come over. Okay, so you squeeze the bottom with your hand, and see? He loves it. They're only $1.99 a pouch, and if your dog doesn't drink all of it, it's resealable. So if you're on a long trip, please buy this. They're available at PetSmart, but only for 5 weeks unless we meet our goal of 8,700 per week. So please, buy Wetbone. We are selling 2 pouches at 725 stores a week.
In PetSmart.
And we want to get that up to 12 pouches, just 12 pouches per store. That would bring us up to 8,700 pouches nationwide. So, buy it. We only have 5 weeks to prove to PetSmart that this is a great product. And we need you to buy it since you think it's good, hopefully. We need you to buy it so that we can meet that goal and keep selling this wonderful, innovative product.
And by the way, we'll keep you posted on how many pouches we sell each week. And don't forget to go to www.wetbonecompany.com for more information.
You have to spell out company.